Wasabi everyone. This is the project I worked on this week. I made this ski bench out of cross-country skis and an old bench that I got from a relative for free. The wood was very weathered, so I cleaned it with deck cleaner to prep it for staining. The cushions were in really bad shape and they were sewn around the frame. They were just kind of suspended. There was nothing underneath it. The cushions were suspended from a board going across the front, hanging down by rope that was attached to the armrests, and it's a rocking bench, which is pretty cool too. So I did 2 coats of a solid color stain on the whole wood frame, and then I decided to put cedar boards across the front, connected to the board that's suspended by rope. I had just enough of these skis left over from another project of making chairs. You can see them in the background. And now all I need is some outdoor cushions. I'd like to find navy blue ones. And that's it. Later, hosen.